Alright. Right. Let me start here. Touch with this. Darken some colors out here, man. There we go. YouTube, man, it's been a minute, man. Do you guys recognize this room? You guys recognize this? Is this room like? Do you guys even recognize any of this? So if you guys are real Woods fans, right? You guys remember the whole like 360 Woods and all that. If you guys are real Woods fans, you guys have checked back in and you guys are like, man, where has this dude gone? This dude is like fell off the face of the earth. You guys aren't lying. It's been a minute. I don't want to say I'm back. Okay? I'm doing this for pure and utter fun. I miss being in front of the camera. I miss the vlogs. I miss the haircut tutorials and just tutorials in general. Back then it was hair tutorials. Back when I had the waves. I have the curls now. Right? The curls is a curling now. You guys don't know. If you guys are real Woods fans, this studio, you guys should recognize. This office, you guys should recognize. This is where I was cutting hair, where I was making the tutorials that you guys see on here. Because I haven't taken anything off. I haven't taken any tutorials off on here, whether it's waves, whether it's barbering, whether it's unboxings, anything. I have not taken anything off this channel, mostly because I feel like this is a time capsule. This is a time capsule of my life. Even though I look back, I do look back at these videos, right? These old videos of me, and I'm like, man, I was corny. But at the same time, it was interesting to see where I was really in life. In life, I feel like I was trying to figure out who I really am. Like a lot of people, they were like, man, like you're copying Jeezy, you know what I mean? You're copying this person, you're copying that person. And I don't know, I'm not going to say that the internet started to get to me, but in a way the internet started to get me. Not really the comments of you're trying to be like this person, you're trying to be like that person. It really just opened my eyes. It opened my eyes to like, maybe I am. You know what I mean? Maybe I should really, like, this is like the fundamental years of myself. And I still am. I'm 22 now. I was doing YouTube. I started YouTube at 17 years old. It's wild. I started cutting hair at 16. I'm now 22. Really just my video saying I'm back, but I'm not back. I'm back in the sense of you guys are going to still see me a lot more often. Like a lot of you guys are probably like why now? Like why come back now? I'm more confident in who I am now. The corniness that who I am is because I am just that. You know what I mean? It's not me trying to be entertaining for the camera anymore. It's mostly like that's just who I am. I'm pretty sure you guys are like, well, why'd you change your name? I got rid of the 360 Woods because again, I'm not trying to be like anybody. I'm trying to be like me. That's where it's funny. People ask me all the time, where did the B Woods come from? My Instagram is bwoods1_1. And that literally stems from a period of my life where I was coming off of YouTube and I was trying to find myself. It reminded me to be Woods first. That is literally point blank period. That's what it is. That's why I go by Woods. All my clients call me either LJ or Woods. So that's pretty much why I chose B Woods 1. Is because it always reminded me that I'm always my authentic self. You definitely follow my Instagram. My Instagram, I've been uploading like crazy. I was on this daily grind. I think that's what made me want to hop back on YouTube. I got a video that's about to hit 1 million views on Instagram. Another one that hit, last time I checked, it was at 2.1 million views. And so it really just made me want to take that grind from Instagram and bring it to YouTube because this is where I started. This is my baby. This is a lot more work. YouTube and editing and Photoshop and all this. It's a lot of work for something that you guys enjoy for 8 minutes. So I felt like Instagram was like the introduction of that. And then now it's like, okay, now that I'm getting my rhythm on Instagram, I'm ready to bring it over to YouTube for longer, more in-depth videos for you guys to enjoy. I feel like now the big question is basically like, okay, well, what videos are we now looking into? I want to turn this office into something to where I can record more in. And I'm telling you guys, I invested in microphones, new laptops, bringing out new tripods. Like when I tell you, I'm excited. The videos that I really want to be making on this channel consists of basically haircut tutorials. Definitely want to do that. That's damn near my day-to-day life, 5 days a week. So that's what I want to do. I want to do hair videos. Of course, I have curls, right? So again, I want my videos to kind of apply to everybody, all different types of audiences. And so I'm not just going to be talking about
how to get the dopest connections.
Forget that. I want to talk about hair health, whether it's waivers can use it. I'm a professional barber. You know what I mean? I do this every day. Whether it comes to hair, question about straight hair, curly hair, perms, whatever it is you guys have questions about, I'm going to give you guys the pros and cons to those type of things. Whether you guys, whatever hair journey or avenue you guys choose to go to, I want you guys to be knowledgeable going into it. Men's health in general, like let me talk to you guys. Men's health is definitely something that I feel like a lot of men are starting to take more seriously. I'm about taking care of yourself, self-hygiene, confidence, you know what I mean, things of that nature. For me, I'm trying right now, I'm getting into my fashion just out and my fashion behind the chair. Those are the things I want to talk about on this channel. Story times. I got some stories for y'all, man. Being a barber, when I tell y'all there are some stories, I feel like that would just be dope. This is literally just me having fun on a platform, hoping that people enjoy it and come along for the ride. I want to have fun and I want to be educational, because that's literally who I am. I'm a person that likes to have fun, but I also like to learn different things, go in depth on things, and become more knowledgeable on whatever it is in life. I would say you guys should start saying, if you haven't already, but you guys should start saying shorts. Those shorts usually come from my Instagram. Like I said, I'll leave my Instagram somewhere along here. But I hope you guys are excited. You know I've said a lot of videos of me coming back, but I'm at the time in my life where I feel like this is the perfect time to come back. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm ready, and let's get it going, Wiz Gang. You guys already know what it is. I just had to let you guys know I've been cleaning this office since I literally turned off the camera. It's a work in progress. It's about starting, right? Sometimes you have to start from somewhere. The start, though, is never the finish. So let me show you guys this. That's what we're working with, guys. That's what we're working with. I have coffee, literally. Peep that, because I was literally up trying to get this together. Got the ring light right here. That's it, okay? That's it. I'm not going to disclose anything else. I just want you guys to see that it's progress being made. So, like I say, like I always been saying, stay tuned.